And see, today I'm going to explain how to apply the hotspot, how to apply the colors, how to edit the field, how to do the total, how to apply the subtotal. Okay. Similarly, where you can find the field catalog structures. Okay, I'll explain. See here. See here. Brother Suresh, my side voice is okay. You please try to check your side. That's your problem. Just sales item. See, this is the object yesterday we discussed. Okay, now save, check it, activate it, click on enter and execute it. When you see here, we got displayed. We got displayed. Okay, and the next point is what? And the next point. Yeah, brother. See here. Please, see already. See, once I finish this one. Once I finish this one, I'll tell you for all interrelated joints. Already, okay. Already I explained in normal reports. Already I explained. Already I thought that one joints related table. Okay, you please try to watch that video, or else please wait for tomorrow. Okay. I already explained. See, I already explained the previously in normal reports. I will again explain. Okay, for all interest using joins in tomorrow's class. Up to tomorrow's class, you please wait. Okay, and see, Suresh, I just my screen was maximized. Okay, I'm okay. You please try to check your internet, brother. Okay, my screen was maximized. Okay, next, see, now here the point is what as see my client, see, I think we already discussed the hotspot. In normal reports we discussed the hotspot. What is the purpose of the hotspot? Hotspot is nothing but it is used to identify. Okay, it's see, hotspot is used to identify the field as a special one. Hotspot is used to identify. Hotspot is used to identify the field name. Okay, field name as a special one. For example, see here, when I move the cursor here, see, when I move the cursor on the field, so now the cursor appearing in arrow mark. See, my client asked me, Anil Krishna, you please, my client asked me, Anil Krishna, you please try to apply the hotspot for the sales item number. Sales item number. That means when I move the cursor, on the sales item number, then this cursor need to appear as a hand symbol. Okay, appear as a hand symbol. So see here the point is what? Okay, here the point is what? How you can apply the hotspot for this particular field. In normal reports we discussed what we discussed. In normal reports we discussed okay, we discussed how to apply the hotspot. But here, how we need to apply the hotspot? Here, see, hotspot is also one of the field catalog property. Hotspot is also one of the field catalog property. Here the point is what? For which field client wants to provide that hotspot? Sales item number. Okay, sales item number means what? Okay, for this field, see, we see here actually hotspot is the hotspot. If you want to apply the hotspot property for a particular ALV field, okay, then you need to apply this hotspot property with the help of the work area field catalog, because this is a hotspot is one of the field catalog property. It's one of the field catalog property. Okay, now see here. Now see, I'm going back. Now just double click on the field catalogs here. This is a VBN and sales document number. For this one, see here, we need to apply work area. Okay, we need to apply work area field cat. Work area field cat hyphen. Okay, if you just click on the press the control button and click on the space bar, then you will get the all the properties of the field catalogs. Here the point is what hotspot equal to, see here, with the help of the work area field catalog only, we people can apply the hotspot for any field. Here I'm going to see, I need to apply the hotspot for the sales order number, sales item number, right? So I'm going to specify here hotspot capital X. So if you specify small, capital X means selected. Which one selected? Hotspot property selected. That means hotspot property we applied for this field. Okay, now see here. In interview point of view, 100% there might be a chance to ask this question: how you can apply the hotspot for the ALV report? Then you need to say yes. There's a, see, with the help of the work area field catalog, we people can apply the hotspot. Why means hotspot is the property of the field catalog. That's why with the help of the work area field catalog only, we people can apply the hotspot for the particular field. Okay, now see here, save, check it, activate it, then click on enter and execute it. Now see here, when I place the cursor, I think all you people are seeing hotspot. Here the cursor was shown in the upper right hand symbol. If you move the cursor on the next field, then it will be appeared as a cursor. When you move it on the sales order number, it's going to appear as a upper right hand symbol. Okay, you people are clear? Up to this clear or having any doubt? See, this is the hotspot. In this way, we people can apply the hotspot. And the second one, and my client asked me, Anil Krishna, you please try to apply the color. You please try to apply the color for this material number and for this material group. Okay, see here, my client asked me, Anil Krishna, you please try to apply the color for this material number and material group. We need to apply the color for this material number and material group. How we people can apply the color? Yes, actually, in normal ABAP, how just we discussed how